Hello, I'm Paul from Bezla. High-end hotel renovations go way beyond decorating or recarpeting, with millions of dollars invested in features including speakeasy bars, rooftop terraces and wine caves. Although these huge undertakings involve major expenditure and time-consuming challenges, even the most ambitious makeovers share similar goals: generating interest, increasing guest satisfaction and boosting revenue. Today, I'm going to look at how three very different properties strategically reinvented themselves by undertaking multi-million-dollar renovations. Firstly, an iconic property in Midtown Manhattan. This 18-month-long $140 million program added a modern edge whilst maintaining historic building details. To ensure the success of the high-profile restoration, a dream team of designers, architects and contractors was assembled. As a New York landmark, any changes to the property require approval by the Landmarks Preservation Commission. During a previous refit in the 1980s, all interior sections had to be relaid in precisely the same pattern and positioned to reproduce the landmark protected interiors. The owners faced similar challenges when embarking on the recent renovation, with the designers needing to find innovative ways to marry the hotel's rich and storied past with modern amenities while following strict landmark rules. The massive project added 6 culinary destinations and redesigned the meeting spaces, adding over 900 guest rooms and suites and the lobbies. The hotel is also attracting wealthy foreign visitors for longer stays in its residential style suites. The architect told me, "You've got to make a lot of judgments about what part of the hotel's original fabric is really meaningful and which parts you really want to preserve." Secondly, a century-old landmark in downtown Dallas. The project set out to increase meeting space and add premier guest rooms in a 2-year program with a budget approaching $80 million. Before refit, the hotel had 1 ballroom, 2 meeting rooms and no outdoor space. To position the property as a premier venue for corporate meetings, special events and weddings, the management team needed additional space. When completed, meeting space was tripled to over 14,000 square feet. In addition to renovation of the original ballroom, the hotel now features 2 new ballrooms, 3 breakout meeting rooms, and a rooftop terrace, providing a range of options to host multiple groups. The renovations required closure of the meeting spaces for 6 months. Creative ways to work with clients and fulfill existing bookings were devised, including using the restaurant, lobby and penthouse spaces to host events. Their spokesman told me, "We wanted to ensure our integrity and what we had guaranteed. We learned to be upfront and honest with clients." The expansion added 32 guest rooms, increasing the total to 160. Renovations also added a sculpture garden, accommodating up to 500 for corporate meetings and events. The undoubted star attraction, however, is the new 3,300 square foot rooftop terrace, featuring a climate-controlled pavilion with retractable glass and providing panoramic views across the Dallas skyline. Corporate and social events bookings have tripled thanks to the new spaces and facilities. Finally, for a hotel in Chicago, the challenge was to create a functional social lobby space while reinventing its food and beverage outlets. This 3-year-long project was budgeted at $168 million. The lobby fountain had become more of a distraction than an attraction, and management decided it had to go. Visitors often found the space overwhelming and confusing. The architect told me, "Being one large room entirely enclosed in glass, the lobby is a very powerful architectural space. Sightlines are critical. Our biggest challenge was how to take the lobby apart and put it all back together. We had to rethink the way it worked." The lobby remained open throughout the project, implementing a renovation model that involved relocating the registration desk and progressively closing designated sections. This enhanced interest in the new lobby elements, as did the installation of windows so guests could watch the remodeling in progress. Removing the fountain opened up the lobby with seating increased from 30 to 200 and created an energetic, unified space. Water wasn't completely removed from the lobby, however. Upgrades included a wall mural of rippling water, creating a visual effect that highlights the hotel's connection to the nearby Chicago River. And the investment is paying off. More guests and local residents are stopping by to explore and socialize in the renovated lobby. If Bezla could be of service to your hotel marketing, visit our website at bezla.com or give us a call at 888-999-8086. Thank you for watching today.